How to fix the screen zoomed in on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your display scaling back to normal when everything looks too large on screen. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From there, click on Display Settings. At this point, scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. From there, click on the drop-down next to Scale. After that, select 100% to reset the scaling back to the default size. From there, click on Sign Out Now if prompted to apply the changes. Once you sign back in, your display should be back to normal. In the next step, if the scaling option is not accessible because everything is too zoomed in to navigate, press the Windows key and I at the same time to open settings directly. From there, click on System and then click on Display. At this stage, scroll down to the Scale dropdown and change it back to 100% or the recommended setting. Once done, apply the changes and check if the screen is back to its normal size. Keep in mind, the recommended scaling for most displays is 100% or 125%. Setting it above 150% can make everything appear oversized and affect how apps and text are displayed on screen. Finally, go back to display settings and confirm your scale is now set to the correct percentage and everything on screen looks normal. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the zoomed in screen on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.